Part 2. Our next move is to understand octaves. Revising the previous section, it was understanding note names on the E and the A string, and eventually doing it to all 6 strings. You should be able to now go E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E. And beyond that, you should be able to do this, understanding the sharps and the flats, going E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, A, G sharp, G, F sharp, F, E, D sharp, D, C sharp, C, B, A sharp, A. Obviously, it takes a bit more mental capacity, but great to be able to do. Or do it with flats as well. E, F, G flat, G, A flat, A, B flat, B, C, D flat, D, E flat, E. It will serve you very well, understanding how to do that on every string. E, E flat, D, D flat, C, C flat, B, A flat, G, G flat, F, E. I just realized that's obviously the high E string, which is equal to the bottom one, but if I did it off the B string, B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, F, E, E flat, D, D flat, C. Or go through scales with it, instead of going just chromatically, do it with a scale. So if we take just G major with the F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, C, B, A, G. Go around the circle of fifths. So next would be D, G, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A, G. And understanding roots and scales is a whole different bucket of worms, but if you have that ability to open that, then it's a great idea to do that. For now, we've got to understand next is knowing from our roots where the other notes in relation lie that are the same. So here we have an example in G. On our 3rd fret of the E string is a G. If we come up 2 strings and up 2 frets, we get another G. Go skip 2 strings and go down 2 frets as the same on both E strings. We're going to go up another octave, so there. Skip a string, go up 3 frets to get the next octave, and then we have our G that we should know lies here, and then we have the same pattern from there. So we end up, you should be able to eventually get to the point where you're going, okay, I know I've got a G here and a here, G here and here, here and here, here and here, there, there. And for me, I always count to 7 because there's 7 sort of unique octaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. So that's for G. Great. Once you can do that in G, we move on to, for example, now we're doing C. So we know our C is on the 3rd fret of the A string. If we go up from there, C. Oh, sorry. I just saw a quick change to make. That shouldn't be there. That should be here. My apologies for that. I really can't be. I was redoing the start of the video, but there we go. C, 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 C. Again, count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I missed one there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sure. That is the next stage of practice, is understanding that. Go take it through, for example, the circle of fifths. Always great to be using that. So if we start with C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we do G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we do D. You can start here. Probably better to start on this position though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Might have missed one there. 6. I think I missed that. 6, 7. There we go. Next would be A. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's different ways you can remember it. The main notes that we need to know for future is how to do it on C, A, G, E, and D, which is caged, right? So C, A, oh, sorry. G, E, so, and then, oh sorry, D, final one. Once you've got that down, do it backwards until you know that you understand where those octaves lie. Oops, sorry about that. And hard to talk and play. Where those octaves lie. That will just be the end of this video because we'll move on to the next topic.